Why do AI bundles feel impossible to resist? It's not the discount. It's not even the convenience. The real reason is hidden inside your brain. When most people see a smart AI bundle store, they think it's just clever marketing. Stack a few tools together at a lower price, done. But neuroscience reveals something bigger. Bundles hack your brain's reward system in ways single products never could. Inside your brain, the nucleus accumbens is responsible for reward anticipation. Buying a single tool sparks one dopamine release. But bundles, they stack perceived value, firing multiple reward signals at once. Your brain doesn't just see tools, it sees a jackpot. Psychologically, this creates a sense of unlocking hidden efficiency. You don't feel like you bought software. You feel like you leveled up your identity. I'm no longer just using AI, I'm becoming AI-powered. That's why bundles don't just increase sales. They reframe the purchase itself. It's no longer about saving money, it's about compressing growth into one decisive moment. One click, multiple upgrades. Here's the philosophical shift. A smart AI bundle store isn't just selling tools. It's curating a neurochemical upgrade. It's selling identity. It's selling time. It's selling the rush of becoming your future self today. So next time you see or build a smart AI bundle, remember, you're not just moving products. You're shaping brain chemistry. And that's why bundles will dominate the AI economy. Lightbulb, what do you think? Are bundles the future of commerce or just a clever trick?